Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel, and if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, my name is Jessica. I'm living in a fixer-upper and have been for about 4 years. On my channel I do a variety of videos. I like to do cleaning, cooking, crafting, and also I share things that we do on our home as we continue to remodel. As for today's video, I'm just continuing a declutter process that I have been doing for the past month. I just pick a certain area in my house after work that I want to declutter and clean. Living in a fixer-upper, you tend to have lots of leftover paint, trim, and other things from a remodel that seem to get put anywhere and everywhere. Unfortunately, there is not really anything that I can do with the trim in the corner or some of the paint in the big buckets, but with that being said, I can still clean and do a little organizing. Even if things are not perfect in your home, it doesn't mean that you just let things go. You can still try to clean, keep, a handle on things, organize. There is a process that you can do and you can enjoy your home even if it's not perfect. I'm starting out with my laundry room cabinet. This cabinet was a cabinet from the downstairs kitchen that I sanded and repainted. We ended up with a wooden countertop. We stained it and then we cut a hole out for the sink. Everything that I'm putting in this box is going to be donated, so I'm not just going to throw it away. Some of the things are from when we had our kitty cat that passed away in September. We just don't have the heart to have another one at the moment because we were really attached to her. So I just want to donate these things, and then eventually we're going to get another cat. The ladybugs this year at my house have been terrible. I don't know if you guys have a problem with ladybugs, but if you do and you know how to get rid of them or keep them away or whatever, just so they won't bother us in the house, let me know down in the comments because I would love to know. I also want to mention that this room was actually a small porch that we closed in and made into a mudroom. I do want to point out the ceilings in this room is real tin off of a very old barn. Matter of fact, it's the same barn that we used the barn wood from that's in one of our bathrooms that was in the last video that I posted. This little thing that has my succulents in it was made from picture frames that I picked up. I think I got these at Walmart. I'm not sure about that. But I do know the little succulents came from the Dollar Tree. I don't really keep a whole lot of stuff above my wash machine and dryer, just like maybe extra shampoo or just some extra stuff that we just, need stored somewhere else. For 3 people that live in this house, I do not understand where all the shoes come from. So some of these have to be thrown away, some of them have to be donated. I'm just gonna go through these right fast. Eventually, I want to get one of those shelves that has the little hooks and maybe a little bench or something like that where I can hang jackets and umbrellas, whatnot, anything that can be hung up right there would be great in this little corner. That is it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really do hope that you get some motivation, maybe just to start little areas in your house and get those worked on and organized. And I will see you guys in the next video.